and the hand. Move forward, come forward, please. Then we see the right in the middle as well. As you can VIP seat, view is perfect. Yeah. If you don't want on the gray area, that is the emergency exit. Okay. Please sit at both sides. Let my foot to be balanced. Yeah, should be fine. Someone sit at the front. You may sit at the middle boxes as well. Or just sit there. Feel more sensitive. We may not be back. Welcome to the world famous Travel with the Cruise. I'm your skipper. Hello everyone. And your tour guide as well. For your friendly reminder, this is a water one. If you get wet, please take good care of your electronic devices. Also, your arms, legs, please keep inside in my boat. That's one water children. Let's go. Wow. Can you see a crocodile there? Oh. They'll come to here and bite my gold. Okay, turn to your right hand side. Do you know what is it? This is the tree house of Tyson. If you want to visit it, you may take the rock at your left hand side. But now he's on holiday. Maybe visit him next time. Don't try to swim there. There's magic crocodile under this river. Okay, now we are on the world-long river adventure. It's over 4,000 miles, but don't worry, I know shortcuts. Oh yeah, that's two animals waiting for us. You know? Mother elephant and baby elephant. Just trying to teach him how to use his trunk to spray water. Hello, baby elephant.
Kala ko naman totoo.
Keep your hand working then. Now turn to your right hand side. This is Mother elephant. He's taking a shower under the waterfall. So enjoyable, right? But don't take too long. So many wrinkles already. Oh wow, what? Oh. There's Daddy elephant. He's coming. Oh.
Hindi tayo maano.
Hello, Daddy elephant. How are you? How are you doing? One more time. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Just joking. Don't worry. Oh, I got those. Where are we? It's over 1,000 years temple. Can you see the giant spider there? It's the largest one in the world. And 2 more at your front. Oh, they can jump over candy feet. What's the last one? Oh, at your right hand side. And this is the Ganasa temple. Got an elephant there. And 2 prophets, which is the protector. Don't forget this one at your left hand. This is the king prophet. He can move really fast and poisonous as well. Okay, until now, anyone want to turn back? I don't think so. You look so great. Then we come to Crocodile Square. Oh, do you think they're nothing? Not really. They're so hungry and trouble on the left hand side. We may call them reptile, right? But they just for us dinner. Okay, now we're going to find Professor Potter and Jake. They campsite there. Let me see. Oh no, they forgot to shut the door for a break into here. And they get really fancy. Wow! They Gola has gone. Oh, Gola has gone. So they can really about to move. Okay, now we come to African crocodile. What kind of animals can you see? Like zebra,